Today, you're going to learn how to avoid tax penalties using ChatGPT to help you understand the deadlines, rules, and common mistakes that trigger fines. This tutorial is perfect for beginners, freelancers, side hustlers, employees, and anyone who wants to stay compliant and stress-free during tax season. Before you begin, gather your income information, your tax documents, and your estimated deadlines. These details will help ChatGPT personalize your checklist. Start with a clear overview using explain the tax penalties I could face based on my filing status, income type, and deadlines. This gives you a personalized list of potential penalties, such as late filing, late payment, underpayment, and missing estimated taxes. Next, create a deadline checklist using create a simple deadline calendar for my tax situation and tell me which dates I must not miss. This helps you see when your tax return, payments, and quarterly taxes are due. If you're unsure whether you owe estimated taxes, ask, tell me if I need to pay quarterly taxes and estimate how much I should pay. To avoid reporting errors, use, list the documents I should gather to avoid mistakes or missing information on my return. Next, check your deductions and income accuracy with, help me review my income, deductions and credits to avoid common IRS errors. Before submitting your return, double-check everything using list the most common reasons people get tax penalties and help me confirm none apply to me. Finally, build a follow-up habit with create a simple monthly routine to stay organized so I never miss deadlines or payments again. And that's it. When you stay ahead of deadlines, track your income, and review your numbers carefully, avoiding penalties becomes much easier. Use ChatGPT at the beginning to understand your risks and at the end to confirm everything is correct. Comment down below the topics or challenges you want help with so I can show you the right prompts to get the most out of ChatGPT.